Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage. Now, you have two different fuse boxes, but we'll need to work in the fuse box that's located right under the hood, okay, in the engine bay. So that's your car battery. If I zoom in, okay, you're going to see that behind the car battery you have a fuse box cover. You open that cover and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like that. Check it out. Now, this is the front of the truck, this is towards the back, but before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Check out now, guys, those relays. You have 2-3 different kinds of relays and fuses that could be really hard to find in small towns in the middle of nowhere, or they can be ridiculously overpriced at some places. So we recommend to keep some spares in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So the fuse for the front console cigarette lighter power outlet will be in that row right here. If you come and you count 1, 2, that second fuse right here will be for that specific cigarette lighter. It's known as fuse number 90, guys, 90. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.